So let's carry on with our significant figures by doing some examples. Okay, let's start us off. I've got the number 368,249, so quite a big one, 368,249, and I would like to round it to 2 significant figures and 3 significant figures. So let's have a look. We've got 2, so we always have to start at the top end of the number. Those biggest ones are the most significant to start with. So 1, 2, let's have a look at our third place getter, and we've got an 8. Knowing that that's over 5, it's going to change this. So 2 significant figures would look like 370,000. We've rounded this number up to 370,000. If I now want to focus on 3, I need to look at 1, 2, 3 and focus on this fourth place getter. 2 is going to round down, so really these are our 3 important numbers. So 368,000 or 368,000. Let's go with a very small number this time, 2, 4, 5, and I want to round it to 1 and 2 significant figures. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. We know that leading zeros are not significant, so we have to really not worry about them at all. And if we want to go to our first significant figure to get 1, then it's here. Let's look at our second place getter. It's a 4. It would round down, so 1 significant figure would be 0.002. This time we want to round to 2 significant figures. We know that these ones aren't significant, but they have to stay there. We've got 2 and 4, and now we look at our third place getter, and we've got 5, which we know rounds up, which will affect this one, so we round to 0.0025. Okay, our next example is going to be a really tiny one, 0.000058763. We want to round to 2 and 1 significant figures. We know that these leading zeros don't count as significant, so here are our first 2 significant figures. Our third one here is quite big, so it's going to change this one. So my first answer for 2 significant figures will be 0.00059. And if we just want to look at 1 significant figure and then worry about this one, again it's going to round up. So we have 0.00006. Okay? We can then take that and figure out a nicer way to write that, because they are quite small and big numbers here. Let's write them as scientific notation now. Okay? We move across to scientific notation, we can find out that, remember, we move that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we can only have 1 significant figure before the decimal point. So 5.9 times 10 to the negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 5. Same thing here, we've got this significant figure, so it'll be 6 times 10, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 10 to the negative 5. We could do the exact same thing up here if we wanted, knowing our decimal place is actually here. We've got our significant figures, so it'll be 3.7 times 10, and we could move it to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so to the power of 5. Let's do this one. We've only got 1 significant figure here, 2 times 10 to the negative 1, 2, 3, so negative 3. So you can see after we finish rounding a number, we can then turn it into an even shorter form to show it in scientific notation.